LangChain Python, automating tasks with AI agents. In this video, we'll explore how to design and implement AI agents using LangChain and Python to automate routine tasks, enhancing efficiency and productivity in your tech projects.
Imagine a world where mundane tasks are handled by AI, freeing you to focus on creativity and innovation. That's the promise of automation. In this video, we'll dive into how LangChain and Python can help automate your routine tasks, boosting productivity and efficiency. From understanding the basics of task automation to implementing AI-driven workflows, we'll equip you with the knowledge to transform your approach to tech projects. Task automation in AI involves using artificial intelligence to perform repetitive, mundane tasks without human intervention. This is crucial in today's fast-paced world where efficiency and productivity are paramount. By automating routine tasks, we not only save time but also reduce errors and increase consistency. LangChain comes into play as a powerful tool for building AI agents that can handle these tasks seamlessly, allowing humans to focus on more complex and creative endeavors. Understanding the fundamentals of automation helps us appreciate the transformative power of AI in reshaping the modern workplace. LangChain is a versatile framework designed for creating AI agents capable of automating tasks. It integrates seamlessly with the Python ecosystem, providing a robust set of tools and features that enhance productivity. LangChain supports a wide range of automation capabilities, from simple task execution to complex decision-making processes. By leveraging LangChain, developers can design AI agents that not only perform tasks efficiently but also adapt to changing requirements and environments. In this section, we'll explore how LangChain simplifies the automation process and empowers developers to build intelligent, autonomous systems.
Designing AI agents involves a strategic approach, aligning AI capabilities with the specific task to be automated. The first step is to clearly define the tasks and objectives the AI agent will address. Key considerations include the complexity of the task, data requirements, and the need for adaptability. AI agents should be designed to learn and improve over time, handling new scenarios with ease. By focusing on these principles, developers can create agents that not only automate tasks but also provide valuable insights and improvements. We'll showcase examples of AI agents successfully automating various tasks in real-world scenarios. Implementing automation workflows in Python involves a systematic approach, starting with setting up the Python environment to support LangChain. We begin by installing the necessary libraries and dependencies. Next, we build automation workflows step by step, integrating AI agents designed in previous sections. Testing and optimization are crucial to ensure the workflows run smoothly and efficiently. This section will also address common challenges faced during implementation and provide solutions to overcome these hurdles. By the end, you'll have a solid understanding of how to create and optimize automation workflows using Python and LangChain. Data integration plays a pivotal role in automation, as AI agents rely on accurate and timely data to perform tasks effectively. In this block, we'll explore how to connect AI agents with various data sources, handling diverse formats and ensuring seamless integration. We'll discuss best practices for data security and privacy, critical in maintaining trust and compliance. By integrating data sources effectively, AI agents become more informed and capable, leading to better decision-making and task execution. We'll also present real-world examples where data integration has significantly enhanced the performance of AI-driven automation. Automation workflows are not immune to errors, making error handling and debugging essential components of successful implementation. This section covers common errors encountered in automation workflows and present strategies for effective error handling. We'll explore debugging techniques specific to AI agents, along with tools and resources that assist in troubleshooting. Ensuring robustness and reliability in workflows is paramount, and we'll discuss methods to achieve this. By mastering error handling and debugging, developers can create resilient automation systems that maintain performance and reliability, even in the face of unexpected challenges. Exploring real-world examples of task automation with AI provides valuable insights into the practical applications and benefits of this technology. We'll examine case studies from various industries, showcasing successful AI automation implementations. These examples highlight the challenges faced during implementation and the innovative solutions developed to overcome them. We'll discuss the impact of automation on business outcomes, including increased efficiency, cost savings, and improved decision-making. By understanding these real-world applications, viewers can gain inspiration and knowledge to apply AI-driven automation in their own projects, learning from the experiences of others. As AI technology continues to evolve, new trends and advancements are shaping the future of automation. This section explores emerging trends in AI and their impact on automation processes. We'll discuss the role of AI in future workplaces, where intelligent systems will play an increasingly prominent role. Challenges and opportunities lie ahead, and understanding these dynamics is crucial for preparing for the next wave of automation. By staying informed and adaptable, developers and organizations can leverage AI-driven automation to maintain a competitive edge in an ever-changing technological landscape.
In conclusion, we've explored the transformative power of AI-driven automation using LangChain and Python. By understanding the fundamentals, designing effective AI agents, and implementing robust workflows, you're equipped to take advantage of the efficiencies and enhancements AI offers. Embrace the potential of AI automation today and continue your learning journey. We invite you to engage with this video by commenting, sharing, and suggesting future topics. Your feedback is invaluable as we explore the exciting world of AI and automation together.